Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon TCG Pocket error code 103011039 none. The error reads, Reauthorize Nintendo account. You need to reauthorize your Nintendo account. Please tap the Reauthorize button below. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access the game, and it mostly appears due to recent updates in Nintendo's terms and conditions. The first thing you should do is tap the Reauthorize button and accept the new terms and conditions from Nintendo. This has worked for many users, so give this a try and see if this helps. If you already accepted the terms but the error still comes, then try logging in again. If the issue persists, try closing and reopening the app. Then check if the error is gone. If the error is still there, restart your device and launch the game again to see if it helps. At last, if you are still seeing the error, then check if the game needs any updates. If there is an update available, install it and then try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.